Good morning, Class 8. Today's topic of discussion is sound produced by humans. Human beings produce sound. We talk, we shout, we whisper. So we already have studied that vibrations produces sounds. Now which part of our body produces sound? Sound is produced by larynx, which is also called sound box. Where do we have larynx in our body? Put your fingers on the throat and find a hard bump that seems to move when you swallow. This part of the body is known as the sound box or the voice box. It is at the upper end of the windpipe. Now, how do the larynx works? We have two vocal cords in our larynx. The two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Next, we hear sound through our ears. In human ear, an eardrum is present. This eardrum acts as a stretched rubber sheet. Sound vibrations make the eardrum vibrate. The eardrum sends vibrations to the inner ear, which is called as cochlea. From cochlea, the signal goes to the brain, and this is how we hear sound. Note that we should not keep any pointed objects in our eardrum, which may cause loss of permanent hearing. Now a question arises, do humans hear all the sounds? A human can hear only those sounds whose frequency is between 20 to 20,000 Hz. Thus, for human ear, the range of audible frequency is from 20 to 20,000 Hz. Sounds of frequencies less than 20 Hz or greater than 20,000 Hz cannot be detected by human ear, and such sounds are called inaudible sounds.